Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be trying some new nails, and these are the Kiss Bear nails. And they kind of have like a sheer look to them. And these are the medium length, and because they're the medium length, they're going to be a little too long for me, so I'm going to trim them down with my nail trimmers just a little bit, and then I'm going to file the top of the nail and give it that square look that I really like. Now these are the real short French tip acrylic nails from Kiss that are my favorite nails, and I put these on just about, you know, maybe 7 to 8 days ago, and they look really good still. I mean, I have the growth coming in. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty much all that would make me want to change these nails, other than, you know, I'm ready for a new set. So I saw these in the pharmacy. I was at CVS and I saw these there just the other day, so I picked them up and we're gonna give them a shot, see how they come out. So I'm going to take off these nails, and I'll just speed up this video just showing you basically the process. I will link a playlist at the end of this video with all of my nail videos where I go into more depth of how I remove them, how I prep my nails, you know, how I glue them on. I am using nothing but the original super glue. I actually get this from the dollar store, or I get it from Amazon. What you want to look for is you want to make sure that at the bottom right hand corner of the package that it comes in, you'll see some red nails, red fingernails. That lets you know that that's the glue you can use to glue on these nails. So I'm just going to speed this up, put it to music, and see how they come out. guys, so here they are, the finished nails. I filed them with a square tip, just filed them straight across and just, you know, minimal curving of the edges, just softening of the edges, really nothing. As I've said before, I am not an expert on filing nails. These nails just file so easily, and these Bare But Better nails, they are just so pretty and feminine. They have a little bit of a sheer look to them. I think they look super pretty. And the length, I was able to create a length that is perfect for me. If you like the longer nails, you can just leave them as is. I think they have a kind of a coffin shape, is what they call this shape of nail. So it's just too long for me. I can't do anything with a long nail like that I have to do for work. And I just like this length. So yeah, these nails are under $10. You can get them on the Kiss website, which I will link below. I will also link below my super glue and my trimmers from Amazon. So that is it for this video today. I hope that you have enjoyed these nails. If there's anything else that you'd like me to link below that you saw in another video or you're interested in picking up for yourself, just let me know in the comments section. I'd be more than glad to share that with you. And yeah, so I'm very, very happy with how these nails came out. I hope that you will give them a try, and if you do, I hope you will let me know how you like them. So thanks for watching, thanks for coming along, thanks for subscribing to the channel, and for hanging out. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.